Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a spring-inspired nail art design. If you guys enjoy nail art and other artsy and crafty things, make sure you guys subscribe down below for more videos just like this one. And if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to give it a like, and without any further ado, let's just get right on with the nail art. The colors I'm going to be using for this nail art are light teal, white, yellow, and a top coat, but you guys can also change up the colors if you want for a different effect. The first step for this nail art is to apply a base coat using this light teal color to all my nails. After applying a quick second coat, it's time to get into the designs. For the first nail, which is my pointer finger, I'm going to take my small dotting tool and make these little white daisies in this technique that I'm showing on the screen. I'm going to make 3 along the border of the top right corner of my nail. Then after that dries, I'm going to use a slightly bigger dotting tool to apply the yellow dot in the center of the daisies. Moving on to my middle finger, I'm going to be creating 2 larger flowers, and for this I'm using a slightly different technique, which is just creating crisscrossing lines so it looks like a flower. For the second flower on this nail, I'm going to make it look like the flower is going off my nail just a little bit, just to switch things up. And then I'm going to add the yellow dots in the middle of these flowers just like I did for the first one. For my ring finger, I'm going to use some more white nail polish to make 3 daisies as well on my finger that are slightly bigger than the ones that I did on my first finger. And I'm doing kind of like an alternating pattern for this, so the first daisy is on the right side and the second is on the left and the third on the right again. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the yellow dots to the center of these flowers as well. For my pinky fingernail, I'm going to create 1 large flower in the center of the nail. And then I'm going to use some yellow nail polish to add a dot in the middle of this flower as well. Now moving on to my final nail, which is my thumbnail, I'm going to create 3 flowers in a diagonal line for this nail. At first I only do 2 flowers, but then I go back in and do the 3rd flower because I think it looks a bit empty with 2. Now I'm going to add the yellow dot in the middle of these flowers as well. Here I'm just adding the 3rd flower on this nail like I said I would. Then after that dried, I used some yellow nail polish to add the final dot in the center of that flower as well. And last but definitely not the least, I'm going to apply the top coat to all my nails. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video or found it useful, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a like, and if you want to see more nail art videos, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!